Open Bluetooth and devices in Windows settings. Open Device Manager. Connect MikaChip to USB port. Check in Device Manager which COM port assigned to MikaChip device. Start MikaChip software. Check COM port number in the Software and Device Manager. Activate software. Email us your software ID, and we will provide you activation code. Enter activation code and restart software. Confirm if activation code has been saved. Select correct COM port, and press Connect. Device serial number will appear in the status text box. Connect Inkchip to the resetter, and press Check Chip Data button. Press Open File to load Unlock file to the software. Select required file and then press Open. Please make sure Safe Mode enabled. Press Program Chip button to load reset file to the Inkchip. Wait until process finish. Press OK on success message. All done. Now you can disconnect chip and use it in the printer. Disconnect device and close software.